everyone! 2 large eggs. Also add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. Add 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm Isabel. Welcome to my channel, where we bake everything in the air fryer. Add 6 tablespoons of butter. Add 3/4 cup of smooth cottage cheese. Air fryer baking is easy. Just follow my tips and you'll get it perfect every time. Add 1 3/4 cups flour. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Help my channel grow. Drop a comment or even just an emoji below. Cottage cheese pie isn't just tasty, it's good for you too. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to 2 tablespoons of flour. Add 3 tablespoons of chilled butter. Mix everything well. Place the dough into a baking dish. Place the berries on top of the dough. Please like this video or leave a comment. It really helps me out. Thank you. Top it with streusel. Bake the cake at 160 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Perfectly baked. That was very simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your meal.